According to the leaked listing, the DJI Avatar 360 could start at around 2,988 yuan, translating to roughly $426 for the standalone drone. And that single number alone has sent shockwaves through the drone and creator communities. If this pricing turns out to be accurate, it would instantly become one of the most affordable and accessible ways to capture true high-quality 360-degree aerial footage. Until now, flying in 360 degrees has largely been reserved for professionals with deep pockets, production studios willing to invest in complex rigs, or hardcore enthusiasts brave enough to experiment with custom DIY builds. DJI entering this space at such a low starting price signals a clear intention to democratize 360 flight in the same way it once did with stabilized aerial video and consumer FPV. To put this into perspective, most current 360 drone solutions rely on either bulky camera mounts, dual camera add-ons, or third-party systems that significantly increase cost, weight, and setup complexity. These approaches often compromise flight time, stability, or image quality, and they require a steep learning curve that turns away casual users. A purpose-built DJI platform designed from the ground up for 360 capture would eliminate many of these pain points, and doing so at a sub-$500 entry price would dramatically lower the barrier to entry. It also reinforces DJI's reputation for identifying niche technologies and scaling them for the mass market. The leaked pricing tiers further suggest a very familiar and calculated DJI strategy. A mid-level bundle including the RC2 controller is rumored to come in around $569, which would appeal to pilots who want more precise control and a traditional flying experience. Higher-end packages, such as a Fly More combo or an ultimate kit that includes goggles and motion controllers, are listed at approximately $812. Even at that upper end, the pricing remains highly aggressive when you consider what is being offered. For many users, a full FPV and 360 capture ecosystem under $1,000 would have been unthinkable just a few years ago. Even when factoring in higher global pricing due to regional taxes, import duties, and shipping costs, a base model that lands under $500 in most markets would place immense pressure on competitors, particularly companies like Insta360 that have been steadily expanding their presence in the 360 space. While Insta360 has excelled in handheld and action-based 360 cameras, aerial solutions have remained more specialized and costly. DJI's entry could force competitors to rethink their pricing structures, accelerate innovation, or shift focus to higher-end professional segments to avoid a direct price war. On the specifications side, the leak points to a 1-inch image sensor capable of shooting 6K HDR video at up to 60 frames per second. At this price point, those numbers are nothing short of remarkable. A 1-inch sensor provides a significant advantage in dynamic range, low light performance, and overall image clarity compared to the smaller sensors typically found in compact drones. Combined with 6K resolution, this would allow creators to reframe shots, punch in digitally, and still maintain crisp 4K output after cropping, which is one of the biggest advantages of shooting in 360. However, there is an ongoing debate within the drone community about whether these leaked specs tell the full story. Earlier insider reports from late 2025 referenced a more advanced dual 111-inch sensor system capable of recording 8K video. That discrepancy has fueled speculation that DJI may be planning not just one product, but an entire Avatar 360 lineup. In this scenario, the standard Avatar 360 would target enthusiasts, vloggers, and prosumers, while a higher-end Pro model would cater to VR filmmakers, commercial creators, and enterprise users who demand the absolute best image quality and resolution. If DJI does pursue a dual-model strategy, it would make a great deal of sense. The company has successfully done this before with other product lines, offering a more accessible base version alongside a premium variant with enhanced capabilities. An 8K dual-sensor Avatar 360 Pro could command a significantly higher price, while still benefiting from the same core flight platform, software ecosystem, and accessories. This would allow DJI to serve multiple segments of the market without fragmenting its development efforts. Safety and flight intelligence are another area where the Avatar 360 appears poised to stand out. The leaks suggest omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, which would be a first for the Avatar lineup. This is particularly important for 360 drones because pilots often focus more on creative framing and movement rather than maintaining direct line-of-sight awareness. When flying FPV or capturing immersive shots, situational awareness can drop quickly, especially in complex environments like urban areas, forests, or indoor spaces. Omnidirectional sensing would dramatically reduce the risk of collisions and open the door to more confident flying, even for less experienced pilots. Combined with DJI's Rocksteady 4 and Horizon Steady stabilization systems, the Avatar 360 promises footage that remains smooth, level, and visually pleasing, even during aggressive FPV maneuvers. This is crucial for 360 content, where sudden jolts or horizon drift can be especially disorienting for viewers when played back in VR or interactive formats. The Cinehoop-style design rumored for the Avatar 360 also plays into its appeal. Cinehoops are known for their compact size, ducted propellers, and ability to fly safely in tight spaces. Pairing this design philosophy with 360 capture could unlock entirely new creative possibilities. Imagine flying through narrow corridors, between trees, or around architectural details while capturing a fully immersive sphere of video that can later be reframed from any angle. For real estate tour, travel content, vlogging, and action sports, this combination could be transformative. If DJI delivers on these leaks, the Avatar 360 could genuinely reshape the market. A compact drone that can capture stitched 360 video, offers advanced stabilization and obstacle avoidance, and comes in under $1,000 for a full combo would be a game changer. Real estate professionals could create immersive property tour without hearing specialized crews. Travel creators could capture cinematic shots without worrying about camera orientation. Action sports filmmakers could focus entirely on the movement and story, knowing the drone is capturing everything around it. There is also a broader industry implication to consider. DJI introducing a mass-market 360 drone could accelerate the adoption of immersive media as a whole. As more creators gain access to affordable tools, platforms may respond by improving support for 360 content, VR playback, and interactive video experiences. This creates a feedback loop where better tools lead to more content, which in turn drives demand for even better tools. An official reveal is expected in early 2026, strategically timed just ahead of the spring travel season. This timing would make perfect sense, as travel, outdoor exploration, and adventure content tend to surge during this period. If DJI uses this launch window effectively, the Avatar 360 could quickly become one of the most talked-about drones of the year. Whether it ultimately lives up to the hype will depend on final specs, real-world performance, and global availability. But based on the leaks so far, DJI appears ready to make a bold and disruptive move into the world of 360 aerial filmmaking.